Hey guys, filing a DBA, that is doing business as, lets you operate under a business name different from your personal or legal entity name. LegalZoom makes this process straightforward in 2025, and here's how you do it step by step. So, a DBA registers your trade name with the state or country, making it legal to use publicly. It's perfect for sole proprietors, partnerships, or LLCs wanting to brand without creating a new company. On LegalZoom's website, select the DBA filing service, enter your state and country to check specific requirements. Then, file out a simple form with your business and desired DBA name. To avoid conflicts, LegalZoom runs a preliminary search to ensure that your DBA name is available and isn't already in use or trademarked within your jurisdiction. LegalZoom prepares the required paperwork and files it with the appropriate local or state government office. They handle the filing fee and submission for you, saving time and potential errors. Once approved, LegalZoom sends you official documentation providing your DBA registration, and you can then legally use your new business name for marketing, banking, and contracts. Depending on your state, DBA may need periodic renewal. LegalZoom offers renewal reminders and filing services to keep your DBA valid and compliant. LegalZoom's DBA filing services in 2025 offers a hassle-free, reliable way to register your business name. It's ideal for entrepreneurs wanting an easy path to legally operate under a new name without the stress of paperwork. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.